All right, Pete, big news. You're adding to Target. Didn't realize you liked that one.
I am. Yeah. Well, you know what, Scott? This is a stock that actually got up to 267, then started to pull back, and it really was in almost a free fall for a moment or two, where it got all the way down into the 228 or something like that. I was watching it very closely. Yesterday, we had some call activity in there. It made me prompt to look at it one more time. At 232 is where they were buying the calls. I said, you know what, I'm just going to add to my stock. So I decided to add to my stock. I like the diversity of the supply chain. It's much different than many of the other companies, not as reliant just on China. I think they've done so many things right. I've been looking for that move, and it's starting already. And I love the move that we're already following up with today. But I think this is just the beginning. Look at where the PE is right now on Target and compare that to Walmart or Costco or any of the other big box stores. It's still the least expensive of those of that group. So for that reason, I thought it was a great opportunity to jump in there and grab some shares.
Just real quick, too, you bought more TJX calls, too.
I did. I like what we've seen there. We've seen a lot of huge call buying. The stock has literally been bashed all the way down to the very absolute lows of the year, and I think that creates an opportunity. They have issues themselves. They're in terms of supply, they're not getting the supply because those in front of them where they usually get it are actually not getting enough supply. So this is a whole chain that's going, and TJX is unfortunately at the bottom end of this thing, but I think they're going to about to start to come out of this as well. It's gotten really, really cheap. I think this is a good opportunity for TJX.
All right, good stuff. But by the way, that's not Pete's unusual activity.
Thanks.
He's going to be back with that. Hey,
Nope.
Shan, UNH, whoa. What a nice day, right, for United Health. The stock did hit a new 52-week high earlier at 433. It's pulled about $11 off of that. It's still up, though, 5% on the back of that earnings report.
Yeah, it was a great report. They raised guidance. They announced that they had 320,000 more commercial ads this quarter, which is what we were looking for as a backdoor reopening play with, unemployment coming down. And they continue to return a lot of capital to shareholders through both buybacks and the dividends. So we're very happy to have this as our mainstay of our managed care exposure.
I'm sure that